Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori, and today what do I have for you? Well, this is actually my first video kind of, doing it the way I've always done it. So I'm not even really sure what the hell I'm doing, but just bear with me, okay? Anyway, this is seriously, listen to that. This is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle for April, for this month. We're not done with April yet. We've got a few more days left in it. But when I got this box, I thought, you got to be kidding me. It feels like there's almost nothing inside. Now, you do get a laminated card letting you know. It's got a picture. It's got description of all the items that are inside your box along with the price of what its value is. It looks like we got nude sticks. So, what is there, 5 products in here? We got 5 products from Nude Sticks. So the first one is the Citrus Sea Mask and Daily Moisturizer, which we've received these before in other beauty boxes. This one does retail for $38. It's actually pretty good. I like this one. I do have a couple of them, so I probably will not keep this. That'll go in a giveaway. And then there is, now, wait a minute. Back up, Lori. This one is a daily moisturizer. So I'm not big on moisturizers. This will more than likely go in it. Giveaway. Or my daughter, I don't know, somebody. Okay, and then they have, let's see, we have a couple of these. Hang on a second. It says we have magnetic matte lip in boho. Okay, there's 2 crayons in here and they look identical. This one says boho, so this is the lipstick. This is the lip pencil, and it's $26. This here is the magnetic eye color in doo-wop at Real Frost. I have a color just like this. This one is $26 as well. It's like a cream champagne kind of color. And then there is the Lash Lengthening Mascara for $28. That's this one right here. It's got the little stars on it. You probably can't see it, right? It's a pretty tube. It's a very pretty tube. It's mascara. And then the last one is the Nudies Bronze in Sunkissed. I hope I said that right. Kind of like undies, but nudies. And that's this one right here. This one here comes in at $34. So it was $152 worth of products in the April. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. It says Sunkissed on the back, on the bottom, but that's the color. I'll tell you something, when Sassy put that cream Natasha blush on, I was thinking, oh yes, yes. Because cream, anything cream product is really good when you have mature skin. So just from me to you. Take it or leave it, or just, basically that's what it is. Take it or leave it. So anyway, there's all the 5 products that we got for the American Influencer Beauty Bundle for April. $152 worth, you guys. Not bad, right? Because I'm doing good on time, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. It's a double feature. We're doing my Boxycharm. This is also for April. This is the Boxy Spring Revival. Everything in this box pretty much duplicates the one that Sassy opened. So I'm not going to waste a whole bunch of time. Yes, we did get the same. It looks like I got the rose quartz. This is the liquid eyeshadow. That's boring. I'm sorry, but it's boring. And this is by Lucky Chick. Here is the Sela, the clay cleanser. The mascara by Item. And it's funny, my daughter was just here a few days ago and she needed mascara. Oh, I gave her a ton. Trust me. And then Studio Makeup. This is the Hyaluronic Rejuvenating Serum. So this one is a new one. This one Sassy did not get. So which one is this? The Hyaluronic. This one's $45. So this is the only thing that she and I got different. That's a nice bottle though, you know? It's glass. And then of course the Natasha Denona foundation. This one here is 320N. You know, I'm curious. What was hers? Okay, so mine is 320N. And I want to check something because I want to know. I specifically and purposely got two different colors because all the colors that would have matched my skin tone, they were gone. I wasn't even really interested, you guys, to be honest with you. I could have cared less about making choices right now with these beauty boxes. Their stuff is becoming so bad. I just am not happy with the boxes anymore. But anyway, this is the 320N. That's what it kind of looked. This, wow, talk about off. And they want you to be able to match your shade, right? Okay, so this is this is the one that I picked for Sass, and this is the one that I picked for me. Now hers is 260N. Check these two colors out. Tell me they do not look the same. I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to show you kind of what their shade is, but unless I go like this. You know what I mean? Mine's lighter, hers is darker. The fun thing about foundations, if you don't have the right color, don't throw them away. Go get a similar brand, even maybe your cheaper one at the drugstore. Lighter if the one you have is too dark, darker if the one, and there's also color correcting drops you can put in foundation. You can put moisturizers in foundation and lighten up the color as well as darken the color. Like if you were to put this in something and darken it up, say you need your foundation to be a little darker. So my point is, don't throw your foundations away. Get other products to mix with them to get them to, you know, shade match. So anyway, all right. So my total right here came out to, boom. That's right, $165. What was my variation? I really don't care. I feel the same way Sass does. I could care less. It's 118. I had to use the magnifying glass too. 118. Who cares? It doesn't change anything, you guys. It's not going to change the items that have been sitting in this box for 3.5 weeks. It's just not. So that is it. That was my American Influencer Beauty Bundle for April, as well as my base box for Boxycharm. So I have got to stop saying so. All right, you guys. I just want to thank, well, everybody for the wonderful and kind words that you have left me with regards to the loss of my fur baby Roxy. As well as, you know, a very big thank you as well to those who reached out to me through email, who reached out to me through Instagram, and kept tabs on me, you know, checked up on me and so forth, sent me friend mail. It just, I can't tell you thank you enough. It really does warm my heart to know that the people I have met along the way, when I said and when I wanted my YouTube channel to be a big, you know, a kind circle of friends, that's what I'm getting. So I thank you guys all, every single one of you. I love you guys. I really do. I miss the comment cooler, you know, being able to sit there and chit chat with you guys down below in the comment section. So make sure you guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about my Boxycharm base and the American Influencer. I know you guys saw, you know, you've seen people open them, so you know what's in them. But this one's mine. Even though we all get the same damn box. You know what I mean? I don't know. Our delivery's different, right? I mean, seriously, it is. It is. Because I'm just talking to you. It's just me and you right now. So, you know what I mean? It's kind of cool. Anyway, thank you so much. I would appreciate it if you guys would. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you're not into my content, then you know what? Just keep on going. It's not that big of a deal. If you change your mind along the way, come on back. Boom. Hit that subscribe button, and I'd love to have you. All right, you guys. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.